Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so I'm gonna kind of bust out like a couple videos if I can, but it just all depends on how George is doing. He's downstairs, he just finished dinner, so yeah. Alright, I'm gonna unbox quickly the 49 mystery box, $49 mystery box that they have. Super excited. So it comes with obviously all this rubber, or not rubber, but these um, things. I just made a video and I did not clean up my mess because I just was trying to get to um, dinner and then video. Alright, so the first product that I'm going to show you guys is a shimmering dry oil, which is cool. Soul Body. So I don't have any shimmering dry oil products, which is cool. I think you can probably put this maybe in your foundation if you want like a shimmery, dewy look. So this is what it looks like. And here it is. Ooh, it's like gritty. Oh gosh. So gritty. That's cool. So I do not have like any of this shimmery. Smells like a pina colada or something fruity. You can see it just slightly. Okay. My next item is a lippy sticks in the color Who Run This Matte X. Okay. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Simple packaging. I actually have a few of these in the uh, one of the collections in this collection, which is the I forget what it was, but it was like a really like a nude um it's not bad. I mean, it kind of goes okay with um the eye look that I did. Oh well, kind of, sort of, not really. All right, awesome. All right, I got a lippy pencil in the color Ashton. That, oh yeah, that is a very nude nude color. I don't know about that. Oh well, I'll be okay. All right, so juicy. The lip gloss, the plumping lip gloss. Ooh, let's try that out. Because that lippy stick formula kind of has like a little bit of a drying spell. Ooh, it tingles. This is nice. I might actually put this on my purse. Oh my. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I can feel the plumping. All right. The defining mascara, which is awesome. I'm excited. I never tried their mascaras before. So this is what it looks like. This is the color black. And then, of course, the wand looks like that. That's exciting. I probably shouldn't have opened it, but you know what? It's okay. I go through a lot of mascaras. It's all good. Um, the Creme La Gel eyeliner. I don't know what color it is. Their eyeliners are really nice and creamy, but literally, ooh, wow. Sometimes they break very easily. That is the color. I doubt that this would look good with my eye color, but you know, you guys can't barely see it. You guys cannot see it, but it's okay. I do know though it is a really nice product though. Very creamy. I had something on my eyeball. Cool. All right. The next product is the Super Shocker Shadow. Ooh. And the color Flower Child. Cool. Your Super Shocks are so pretty and so soft. Ooh, that's really light. Let's see. Super pretty. You can also use this for like, um, what is it called? Highlighter, but I'm not going in with that. I'm gonna do an inner corner. Ooh, wow. Super pigmented, I swear. That is so pretty. I love it. Love that. So this is the $49 mystery box. Now I don't think they have them available anymore, which sucks. I think they're kind of nice to have. This is a jelly much. I'm not a big fan of jelly formula. And that's what it looks like. Kind of reminds me of like the litter. It's like very pigmented. Maybe I'll give it a try. Who knows? That's cool. Pressed powder shadow. It's like a single. That's cool. I don't have many. I'll have to get some Z palettes. Um, this is a shade, very neutral. Very nice. It's a nice shadow. Very nice shadow. Alright, the next thing, there's like so many good things in here, you guys. I swear. Here's another cream la gel. I'm assuming eyeliner in color So as an SOW happy. It kind of matches. So is this an eyeliner? No, it's a lippy pencil. It's right there. Now this is a little bit more wearable, which is kind of nice. I don't have a lot of their lippy pencils, which is really nice to have. Oops. This completely like fell out of. So this is the Fourth Ray Beauty Acai Face Milk. So I got another face milk. Cool. I'm excited to try those out. It doesn't smell very nice, but I'm excited to give these a try. I don't know much about them. Oh, so it's like a lotion. Cool. Okay. Awesome. One last thing. Ooh, I got another of the Animal Crossing La Belle of the Ball shadow palettes. I did not get this collection, so I'm kind of glad that they added these in here. Let me wipe away some of this makeup. And I'll do some swatches. Ooh, this is the purple thing. I'm not too big on the glitter, but you know, like, whatever. This is a really pretty shadow. Okay, so the 4 shades. It's pretty. I do not like the glitter, but. And here are the shadows. Very pretty. That dark purple right here is like a little patchy, but I mean, I don't know. It could be a lot different on the eye, so who knows? So, I mean, obviously, we'll just give this stuff a try very soon, I hope. And I hope you all like this video. Please give me a like, a comment, subscribe to my channel as well. I don't have any of the subscription boxes right now, but I'm hoping one of these days. My goal is to get BoxyCharm and Ipsy, my Lorella boxes back, hopefully very soon. So, let me know if anyone has any questions, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. And my next video will probably, hopefully, be clean over here because I just was trying to hurry up and make a video. But you know what? It's okay. It's all good. I hope I will see you all soon and have a fantastic night. Bye, guys.